Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, I will be explaining all about waste management working model. The waste is a very big problem in our day-to-day life, especially in urban places, modern cities. The waste itself a very big problem, and managing that itself again another big problem. So in order to solve that waste management problem, so we have depicted a working model that is going to demonstrate how we can use this methodology or how we can use this technology to solve our waste issues. In this working model, so what we are trying to do here is, so every individual houses or apartments or office complexes or shopping complexes, their waste is getting generated. What we are trying to do here is we are going to collect all that waste. So we are going to collect that from every house and we transport it to the central place where segregation is happening, where we have bigger place to dump and there segregation will happen. Now that we are going to put it into the respective dustbins here. So we are going to put into wet items in a wet dustbin, dry item in a dry dustbin, and plastic one we put it in the plastic one, and metal one in metal dustbin. Now from all the wet waste, we are going to dump into this green tag, and that we send it to the agricultural fields where the composting they are going to make it using that wet waste, and later that we can use it in any agricultural field to grow all the crops. And the second thing what we are trying to do here is, so we are going to use all the dry waste, whichever left out, which cannot be reused or which we cannot do anything out of that, that we are going to send it to the landfills. We are going to dump to this landfills. And there are certain things like plastic and metals. So we are going to send it to the recycle factory via truck, and that plastic will get recycled to make plastic bottles or any other usage which we can recycle. Even metals also we can recycle using this recycle factory. I hope you guys got a clarity what is the problems we have out of the waste and how we are solved using this working model. If you guys really like this video, please click on like button as well as share it with your friends so that they will also get the benefit out of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.